So now you'll guys see how you can connect your Clarity with Cloud. Okay, so what you need to do is first just open the project you want to connect. So you need to go with project wise here. Okay, so once you open your project, then within your project you will find this setting here. Just click on the setting. Once you click on the setting, on the right side you'll find this one data export tab. Just click on this data export tab, then generate a new API token. So you need to generate a new API token and you need to give it a name. So let's say I'm giving name as data. Okay, then you can click on add. So once you click on add, your API token will be generated here. Just copy your token, then go into cloud, and it will ask one thing that I'll show you in the coming minutes. So once you click on open side slide bar, or you can click on customize also. Just click on customize, then you have connectors here. Just click on connectors and plus search for Microsoft Clarity. So let's say Clarity. Clarity. Microsoft Clarity is here. Once you click on it, it will ask you to download this. I'm clicking on download. So this already into my system. Let me just download from Microsoft. Clicking on this, so it's showing me to download this. Okay, so it is there. So once you download this, then once you complete your all process of what I can say is downloader and installation, then click on cloud. So you will open your cloud here. So it's almost same the way we were using cloud on the website. It is asking me to log in. Let me log in here. So the process is same. So I've already installed it because it will take time. Now once you install, then that this process will remain same for everyone. So it will ask you to log in to cloud. Okay, you can use the account you are using to log into your cloud account. Your cloud account is, then you will continue. Let me maximize it for you guys. Okay, now cloud is active here. Okay, this is, let me close this one. Again I'm clicking here. Now it's saying that is need the data. Let me refresh it from here. Now let's go back to the cloud account. Okay, okay, it is showing downloading updates. Let it done the thing whatever it is doing. Then again we click on customize, then click on connectors. Once we click on connectors, we'll come to browse and we'll search for clarity. Here it is. It is asking us to install it. We'll click on install. Install. Once it is installed, now we need to add our API token here and click on save. Once we click on save, then click on configure. Everything is here. Okay, just it's disabled. Now you see Microsoft Clarity MCP server is connected here. Then this disabled we need to make enabled. We'll click on enable. Then these are permissions here, and you can click on save. Now I'm just closing it. Okay, then let me make quit. Then again we'll open this. So now cloud is opening here, and on the other side it is opening here as well. Now I'll come here and we'll close this just to check that is showing or not. Okay, so I'm just refreshing my screen here guys, and let me, okay, that is, again let me refresh, customize connectors. Okay, so that is showing Microsoft Clarity, but that is for desktop. That is not showing for browser. So that is connected there. Okay. Now, if I want to use it from the browser on the desktop itself, I will come back here and I can check by clicking on the plus button, then connectors, and see what all are here. So I can click on again manage connectors and see this clarity. This is activated. Okay, so it is asking for approval. That is something you need to check by your own without making any changes. That's totally up to you. It's like very subjective thing. You want to give all access to it once, or you want it to be approval all the time. So that's is your job here. So with that, it is connected here. So now we can check one test also. Show me website scroll depth last 30 months. Or let's say last 30 days. Okay, now let's see whether it will be able to connect the depth and all. Searching the visual, it's typically Microsoft Clarity. You see, see, okay, Microsoft Clarity is there. I'm connecting it to. So that was something I was talking about. Okay, allowance. So now the same thing we will try to apply on the on I would say on browser also and see what it will say, whether it will be able to do that or not. Tools settings CRM data noise anything. Okay. Okay, so it is saying I can show you through GA4 analytics, which means because it's not connected there. So initially it is connected on the desktop app. Okay, and then you can click on allow and it will be ready. So this is how guys you can connect your Microsoft Clarity MCP with your uh, cloud. Now I hope this video you find useful. If that's so, please subscribe to my channel, because you'll find all content related to performance marketing and AI automation.